can't paint. You know it's true. Oh, he can't paint. Ooh, yeah. The man can't paint. It's sad but true. So sad, so true. Gouache can't paint, and so can you.
Hey guys, welcome back to Kovar Can't Paint. I am Kovar, and let's face it, I can't paint, but I'm giving it all I can. Every week here I come onto YouTube and I chart my progress. Only a short 36 episodes ago is when I started painting with my first watercolor painting, and I recorded it here for you guys. And ever since, every time I paint, I put up an episode as I go on my journey, and hopefully to entertain you guys and maybe inspire you guys. I don't know, but at least to share with you guys. And I really appreciate you being here and hanging out. So today I am going to be painting this lovely gentleman here, and I mean that. I think he is lovely. He's got a great look, lots of life earned there in his face, and it's a watercolor that I found online, and I'm not exactly sure who painted it and who it's of, but it definitely spoke to me. Maybe I see myself there in those tired blue eyes, but I thought I'd give it a try. As you know, I am a beginner artist, and you know, these portraits are pretty difficult for me, as they should be. I think portraits should be hard, and they are. And I definitely was worried about starting this painting today, but you know, I thought of it as a challenge, and I did another painting, kind of like this guy, several weeks ago. I'll put it up here, and I thought that one was a mediocre. Actually, I thought that one was a pretty good success. So, I mean, for where I am, let's just put it, you know, let's be real here. For where I am, I thought it was a very, very good success on my journey. So one of my goals on this one, besides, you know, not being terrible, is the hair. I wanted to definitely try some techniques that I heard about, and actually I think one of our subscribers mentioned to me, which was, you know, you draw the shape of the hair, you don't draw like a bunch of tiny lines, and I've always drawn just a bunch of tiny lines to create hair. And so I definitely wanted to start with that. So on the hair and the beard, I tried to focus more on doing more full shapes with colors at first. And then I moved on to doing some fine lines inside the hairs and to create some texture. And for this painting, and for me doing that for the first time, I feel like it might have been a successful idea. It's been super cold here in Atlanta, Georgia, like down to 18 degrees lately. And now today, it's a beautiful day. I don't think it got up that high. I think it got up to 60 or something, but the sun was out, as you saw at the opening there of the video. And it's so nice outside. It's crisp. It's still a little chilly, but it feels really good. So now I tried picking up my fan brush to do some gouache there. So my thought was at the end here I was going to go in with gouache to do the beard, and it took me a while, and I definitely worked with white gouache and started doing lines. I tried the fan brush, and boy, that just did not work at all. What I did do was grab a nice little thin brush and start doing, and thinned out my gouache with some water, which I never do, but that helped out a lot. And I thinned out the gouache the white gouache and started doing highlights and also doing hair. But if you look at the hair right now, I'm really super happy with it, even now in the painting. Yeah, his face is not great or whatever, but the hair is what I'm focusing on today to be, to give myself a little positive feedback. And then after the white gouache, I went ahead and blended out some black gouache. I think that's coming up here. So there I created a little gray. I mixed the black and the white gouache and created a little gray. And this just worked super well for me. I was able to go in, do a lot of highlights on the beard, or lowlights, I think, probably better. Lowlights in the beard, kind of fix his eyebrows there, go into the hair, create even more texture. And I started, trying to find places where I could use this gouache, this darker low light gouache gray. And yeah, I was really super, super happy with that. As you guys know, I always appreciate your comments. I love getting them. Last painting, we had a lot of comments and they were really funny, and I just love responding to you guys and hearing what you have to say. So always, please leave a comment. I'm always gonna comment back and see what you wrote. Don't forget to sign your paintings. So that's it, guys. This is the attempt this week. Kovar can't paint, but he did this. Let me know what you guys think, and I guess we'll play our favorite game. Is it Hangable? I don't know. Looking on the screen here, I'm gonna say yes. Yes, just for the fact that his hair is so good. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next week. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
It's pretty cool. I love it.